What is environment? Answer. The surroundings or circumstances in which a person, animal, or plant lives or functions are known as the environment. It is composed of either biotic, living, or abiotic, non-living, elements. Animals and plants are the two major groups into which all living things can be divided. While non-living entities are made up of the following components, lithosphere refers to the outer layer of the earth. This layer includes soil and rocks found on the surface of the earth. Hydrosphere refers to water bodies found on the surface of earth. Atmosphere is the layer of air that stretches above the lithosphere. Biosphere refers to that part of environment where life exists. What is ecosystem and factors causing imbalance? Answer. Ecosystem includes all of the living beings, plants, animals and other living organisms, and non-living elements, weather, sunlight, soil, climate, atmosphere. Below are the factors causes of ecological imbalance. Destruction of forests, industrialization, urbanization, overgrazing define sustainable development, its importance and problems. Answer. Sustainable development is a process in which exploitation of resources is done to meet the requirements of present generation without compromising the ability of future generation. Below are the importances of sustainable development. Fulfill human needs, agricultural requirements, manage climate change, financial stability, development of fundamental parts. What is natural resource conservation? Answer. Natural resources is what people can use which comes from the natural environment for their welfare. Resources that nature has given us are soil, air, water, minerals, sunlight, coal, animals and plants, etc. are utilized by human beings for the purpose of natural resources ways. There are two types of natural resources. Find below are renewable natural resources. Resources that can be renewed natural by the nature are known as renewable resources, e.g. water, soil, air. Non-renewable natural resources. Resources that cannot be renewed naturally by the nature or resources that would take a very long time to regenerate are known as non-renewable resources, e.g. coal, petrol, etc. What is green economy? Answer. An economy is called green economy when it is based on the principles of sustainable development is necessary for the maintenance of the environment and its components. The purpose of development work is people's welfare. Sustainable development has three main components, namely economic development, social development and environmental protection.